Hey SJBS, welcome back to Nightly News Junior. This is Estelle, 5th grade representative. My mom and I love to cook and bake together, and we're excited to share our favorite recipe in our first ever school cookbook. As a reminder,
recipes can be submitted until Friday, March 5th using our online recipe collection sheet, or families can email a photo or scanned copy to ptgfinance@sjbs.org.
submit as many favorite recipes that you would like, a favorite recipe of each student, an old family favorite, etc. Students can submit a drawing for the cover design contest until March 5th. Winner will receive a free cookbook. Funds raised from the sale of cookbooks will help support school programs. Cookbooks are estimated to arrive in time for Mother's Day. Happy cooking!